everyone, this is Ghazal. Today is my 28th birthday and I'm so excited to share 28 learnings of my life. These are in fact a few things that I would like to tell to my younger self, and I want every youngster to hear me out because if you apply these learnings, your life will start changing. So watch this video till end. अगर आपको खुश रहना है, then practice gratitude in life. Be thankful for all that you have in life. And for this, you can start writing at least 3 things that you are grateful for every single day, ताकि आप complaining mode से gratitude mode में आ जाओ. Drive your life. Life doesn't just happen. Be the creator of your own destiny. आज हमारी लाइफ जैसे भी है, जो भी सिचुएशन है, it's because of our own choices, decisions and actions. So drive your own life and live the way you want it. मैंने लाइफ के बारे में एक और चीज़ सीखी है, that life is all about today. So repeat with me, life equals to now. क्योंकि हमारी लाइफ में स्ट्रेस की एंट्री तभी होती है जब या तो हम पास्ट में रह रहे होते हैं या फ्यूचर के बारे में सोचते रहते हैं. So life is all about this moment, and this moment is all about you watching my YouTube video and subscribing to my channel. Value 24 hours. I strongly believe that every single day matters. Every single day counts. It just needs one day to change your life. So never let a day go wasted and get better than yesterday. And one thing that has increased my productivity and at the same time made me a positive and a peaceful person is fitness. I follow Cure.fit app. More you practice fitness, more you get disciplined, more you love yourself and more you love your life.
टाइम किसके पास है?
टाइम नहीं है तो टाइम निकालो, और किसी चीज़ को करने के लिए टाइम की नहीं, विलिंगनेस की ज़रूरत है. टाइम अपने आप निकल आता है. और इसके अलावा 2 और चीज़ें हैं, अगर हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो हमारी लाइफ काफ़ी सॉर्टेड हो जाएगी. एंड दैट इज़ प्रैक्टिस फॉरगिवनेस. यस, कहना बहुत आसान होगा, बट फॉरगिव दोज हु हैव हर्ट यू इन द पास्ट. बिकॉज जब तक आप फॉरगिव नहीं करोगे, ग्रजेस रखोगे, यू विल रिमेन डिस्टर्ब्ड. Forgive everyone and let karma decide everything else. And practice self-love. Those who know me personally know how much I talk about self-love because it is the most purest form of love. You may or may not receive love from others, but if you can feel abundance of love for yourself, nothing could be better than that. So love yourself, be kind to yourself, uplift yourself, and you know why? Because there lives a little child inside you, and it's your responsibility to take care of that child. And this brings me to the next learning, that never let your inner child die, because there is a little child inside you who needs love and acceptance. And if you spare a few moments of your day every day and connect with that little person, your life will be sorted. Make your parents feel important, because they do so much for us. The little that we can do for them is give them love and make them feel important, because no success, no happiness is possible without parents. So mama, papa, if you are watching this video, thank you for all your love and support. Life has taught me to welcome 2 things. The first is challenges, setbacks and failures, because I always say that whenever you go through a tough time in life, instead of saying why me, say wow me, because that's the time to learn something. That's the time to upgrade yourself, and that's the time to learn to be humble in life. And welcome criticism in life. As Grant Cardone says, it is a sign of success, and yes, it's an indication that you're doing something good. Understand that people criticize for 2 reasons. Either they are insecure because you are doing something that they are not able to do, or they themselves have gone through a lot of criticism in life. In both cases, train your mind to stay focused. अगर आपको अपनी लाइफ में सक्सेस और हैप्पीनेस चाहिए, look for improvement in everything you do. अगर आप अपनी लाइफ इस थॉट के साथ जीते हो that how to improve, how to get better, you will definitely shine and you will stand out amongst the crowd and your best will come out. And stop overthinking. I used to overthink a lot. Yes, and then I got busy. अगर आपको overthinking को हटाना है ना अपनी लाइफ से, get insanely busy. Get your mind busy and overthinking would shoo away from your life. एक बहुत ही प्यारी सी लर्निंग है that compliment others. जहाँ भी जो भी अच्छा लगे, spare a moment and compliment. Because when you compliment somebody, that someone feels really special and it brings a smile on somebody's face. And that smile gets multiplied and comes back to you in greater forms. Be mindful of your company. Because we are the average of 5 people we spend the most time with. So spend your maximum time with people who are positive and who uplift you. And if you meet people who are otherwise, let them go or minimize your interactions with them. And practice let go. And this is the next learning of my life. It's not easy. That's why I said practice. Practice let go. Let go all the beliefs, old mindset, old ideas and people who are not contributing to your growth and who are making you feel that you're not good enough. Let them go and be kind to yourself. And next is acceptance. Acceptance for our flaws, acceptance for flaws of others, because nobody is perfect. And acceptance for change in life, because our lives keep changing every now and then and will always change. So we must learn to accept changes in life. Trust your instincts. अगर मैंने अपने instincts की ना सुनी होती तो शायद आज मैं ट्रेनर ना होती और आप ये वीडियो ना देख रहे होते. So वही करो जो आपको सही लगे, ना कि दूसरों को. Please yourself and listen to your gut feeling. Be energetic. Everybody loves energy and energetic people around. Nobody appreciates someone who is lazy and inactive. So use high energy words like wow, awesome, amazing, eat healthy and stay happy. Take responsibility of your life, your actions, your behavior. Because nothing happens to us, it happens because of us. So let's take responsibility of our life and stop playing this blame game. और ये मैं बहुत बोलती हूँ that take action. Because many times the right thing slips away from our hands because we don't act upon it. So our thoughts, our ideas are meaningless if we don't take action. Be a doer in life. Be a student for life. I have observed that life में जो problems आती हैं तब आती है जब हम सीखना बंद कर देते हैं. So be a student for life and your growth will be next level. I am a trainer myself and I always feel कि अभी तो बहुत सीखना है and there is a long way to go. Find good and bad. If something negative happens in your life, find good in it. Find a learning in it. And yes, it's absolutely true. If life takes away something from you, it's because you deserve better. Wait for the right time and have faith. Make an investment on 2 things. The first one is your self-growth. Many times we feel we know it all and we just go with the flow. But if you take charge of your life and start investing your time, effort and money on your personal development, life would smile at you and give you the best. Stay happy because you deserve it. Oh, this was a call from my friend and she just told me that she's not happy in her life. And I asked her, what is she doing to be happy? The answer was nothing, I'm just going with the flow. अगर आपको खुश रहना है, happiness is a habit that needs to be developed. So make a list of all the things that give you happiness and add those in your daily routine. Have goals. Don't live a directionless or an aimless life. Discover your purpose, discover your identity and live life with goals. Before 2017, I didn't have clear goals, but life took a beautiful turn as soon as I started practicing goal setting in my life. Have me time daily. I read something very beautiful. Everything in the universe is within you. Ask all from yourself. So once you get into the habit of spending me time, your life becomes quite sorted because me time gives you a lot of clarity. In fact, I got to know that I want to be a trainer after spending a lot of me time and deep introspection. So enjoy your own company and have deep conversations with your thoughts. And the last is read. अगर आपको बहुत सक्सेस चाहिए, खुद को ट्रांसफॉर्म करना है, I think by reading books you can transform your life. By implementing those books you can transform your life. Knowledge gather करो and इसके लिए I have started a 1-year mission today itself to know the details. Watch this video. So these were my 28 learnings. I hope you liked it. If you have anything else to share, please do write in the comments below. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So bye and stay connected.